I've come to Asha House, which is the premier student accommodation building in Loughborough. Now, there are various different apartments and various different bedroom configurations, which I'll show you later. But I assure you, if you're going to Loughborough University, this is where you're going to want to live. Although you can take the stairs, I took the lift to go up and look at the accommodation. In the entrance hall, there's a vending machine for those all-important midnight snacks and a central mailbox point. In fact, you can even have parcels left and signed for. There's a choice of accommodation. There's studios and one beds, or shared apartments which are 4, 5 or 6 bedrooms. Here's a studio, and it's a really good size with its own entrance hall and bathroom. All of them have secure telephone entry systems. There's also disabled refuge points and toilets on every floor. Asha House is in the heart of Loughborough, so you have views over the town and the surrounding countryside. Next, I went to look at one of the shared apartments. There's a communal open-plan kitchen lounge where you can get together to study or relax and just chill out. There's a fitted cooker, a microwave, a dishwasher and full-size fridges and freezers. As well as having unlimited 10 meg broadband, there's a 32-inch television with licence, Freeview and Sky Sports included, and a 20-inch television in the studios and the one beds. The individual bedrooms have en-suites with showers. A fitted wardrobe, and there are double beds in every bedroom with workstations for when you want to work alone. Asha House also has a dedicated management and maintenance team and a 24-hour laundry and a bike store. Loughborough town centre is very cosmopolitan. With some great shopping, lovely coffee shops and delis, traditional pubs, and of course, the usual nightlife. And one of the really nice things about Asha House is, although it's in the middle of town, so close to all the nice bars and restaurants and trendy coffee shops, is Loughborough itself is full of all these green spaces and parks, so it's a really nice lifestyle. And also what's very nice is from Asha House to the university, it's only a 10-minute walk. And if you're wondering what these are, don't worry, they'll tell you when you get here.